Every farm should have chickens, no discussion. Chickens are easy to keep, they feed on what other animals waste, but you will need to supply them with a basic chicken ration to keep them healthy. In return, you'll receive daily eggs for you and your family. If there are too many, there are loads of customers out there that buy free-range eggs. Your chicken run will need a vermin-proof house and a secure fence to keep predators out. Remember to add layer boxes for the hens to lay their eggs in. Give the birds plenty of space to roam. For a good supply of eggs, have a ready supply of layer meal or pellets. You can feed some grain, 25 grams per bird, as snack in the afternoons. Chicken will feed on unsalted kitchen scraps, greens, bugs, or whatever they find tasty in the garden. Make sure you store your chicken feed beyond the reach of mice and rats. Chickens will need constant access to water. This is said to be even more important than food. Ensure that your chickens always have clean and cool water. You can have normal troughs, or you can use automatic drinker systems to supply your chickens with fresh water. When building your hen house, there are a few things to consider. Ensure that your chickens have enough space. Half of 1 square meter should be sufficient for your birds. If they are too cramped, they might get aggressive and start pecking at each other. Chickens like to roost off the ground. This will discourage ground parasites and they will not have to sit in their own droppings. Set up your roosting poles at 1 meter of height. Having them higher up will make it difficult for chickens to reach them. When planning your nest boxes, keep in mind that 1 to 5 hens will use them. Make them nice and cozy and put them off the ground. Chickens prefer it that way. Movable or stationary coop? This will depend on your needs. If you have a large area for your chickens to run, a movable coop might be an option. It will give you the ability to move your birds to fresh pasture. What is very important is that your chicken house is sturdy. A solid floor is also an advantage. Remember, your hen house needs to keep the predators at night out. It is worth investing a little bit more so that you have peaceful nights of sleep. Lastly, when designing your coop, make sure it can be maintained and cleaned easily. Ensure a person can get into it and move around to do a proper clean. These are just a few basics on chicken keeping. We will go through more details about chicken and other farming in future videos. We hope you like this video. Do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel.